I have several of our friends here with us today. First, let me call on Hal Suter, the chair of the Lone Star Chapter Sierra Club. Hal, you move the microphone closer to you.
Okay. Thank you, Becky. I'm very glad to be here with some of our coalition partners. Also, Becky and I went to the same high school together. What was that, 15 years ago, Becky?
About 10.
Okay. I think I'm very, very happy to be here with Labor, which is one of our coalition partners in this. The Sierra Club has no position yet on TPP, but I think I can state fairly clearly two things. We are not going to support anything which follows the same flawed model which has gone on in all these previous trade agreements, nor will we support anything that is negotiated behind closed doors. And unfortunately, as Becky was saying, that seems to be the pattern that is going on here, is they're doing these things in secret. And I don't want to be sounding like one of these black helicopter folks where all sorts of conspiracy things are going on. One has to wonder why they are doing this thing behind closed doors with the amount of secrecy that they have. Now, certainly one of the biggest things I think which concerns the environmental movement about these treaties have been these various provisions where corporations can sue sovereign governments to overturn various regulations. Right now, at the end of 2011, there have been 450 cases of corporations suing 89 different governments. And they do that here in the United States as well. And certainly, you have your concerns with labor. That's one of the things that we have, just as an example, is with tuna. You had a label, this is, dolphin-free tuna, that they're fishing it in such a manner that they're not, catching dolphins in their nets. Well, this has been ruled by the WTO, which, I assume that you can't do that. And this leads people to be, I think, somewhat suspicious that what a lot of these things are for is to be using these agreements as a kind of a Trojan horse to get rid of a lot of the rules and regulations which we have in this country, which help working people and help the environment. So we'd like to try to keep an open mind and see what comes up. But as I said before, we're not going to support something which is negotiated behind closed doors. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Hal.